ladies and gentlemen, quickly, I want to bring in my guy, my G, another fresh guy, you know. I'm not talking the police matter, but when they come, it's Tolu, easy, drop it. Hey.
Come on, man.
Because I say during somewhere along the line, you can't go add height, I can't reduce height.
You know how they good now.
Correct one, my brother.
So now the phone say me I know Sabi.
No,
say,
yeah, see, I shout. That's it, I try. See,
okay,
police motor they come now.
Okay, okay, all right.
Back! You understand?
Okay. I don't see him. Motor they come.
Yes, motor they come now. Back! You see, no.
Oh, well, leave me.
Sometimes for this country, if you don't enter some kind of suffering, that is some kind of naturally will come out for your body. You understand? You see Twale now. If you do this work well, because it does suffer, so kind of suffer like that. Twale, leave Abo. Don't give some kind of experience for this world. Now let me I just sit down one day say, I think I write about police. It's just they write. Inspiration. Inside the script comes sweet. Because of natural this is for the whole level. You understand? But any which way, that's our checkpoint. Tolu, now you don't prove to everybody now, say if they give you the uniform, now people go they rob you. Now the civilians they will not rob you as police.
No, as they talk different strokes.
For different folks. Don't be lie. You feel they do pilot, you know. You don't swag on the form. They don't talk too much.
Yeah, I'm your officer. No, you see, you don't put officer for my mouth.
So no, welcome, man.
I mean,
welcome.
I'm good, though.
How you been now?
I mean, I did, sir.
Man, yes. Comport yourself, you know, sir, because we have to be very.
Because I know one people.
Yes. First, I'll call you criminal now. You say they can call everybody criminal. Both the person they suspect say maybe now you tip the money, or maybe now you tip the load. Everybody now criminal.
Everybody, pack all of us.
So we can go call you criminal now. All right, Tolu. So what's the happen now? What's the happen? How far?
I just dropped one new song with Baba Donje called Femi. People they love her, man. I did happy as people because they love her. Serious. Okay,
I saw your chain. This is your chain, not be here. I say, this is not blink, eh? You spoil my eyes.
No worry, I don't rob anybody, sir.
You understand? Because I won't go there now. Say where you pick am from? Where you steal am from? You understand? So I have to be careful. They look you well. But before now, you've been doing the one with the earlier song where you been earlier with the video there everywhere. So did ever tell you say you want to resemble 3 songs?
Everybody they talk.
They talk about Abi. Say you want they do. Now for your show your face, make you just see Tolu face where. Then for you to see not be lie, they lie. You get.
Now maybe that.
Yeah. Not be lie. Now the songs. That shots with that. Yeah. But really, before now that particular song, that one my girl, my lover. Cause see, now I sing earlier.
Now I pick sit down and like introduction, you know, because you don't before my lover I don't say where I go under the radar.
Exactly.
So I guess remind people saying I'm me.
Yes.
If I come out with brand where they too far from waiting they remember. If it's be like what's happen, you know. So I remind them saying na Tolu be this.
Yes.
Now I don't do Jomapel. Now I don't do my Ifemi. Because say Tolu be the versatile.
Exactly. So because that one, I like the feel. That is it my girl, my lover. I don't call her my girl. Maybe that my girl don't in my mind. You understand? No, you know, based on knowing, see, you understand? No, Tolu said no, so kind hidden secrets. No, cast ourselves because now hidden secrets. You understand? But basically, that particular song, that one, it gets some kind of feel. Now, just about love, you want to talk about. Now your own. What you want to sit down on top, so you want to preach with that.
You know, my love and a specific love between boy and girl. But with Ifemi now, a family love. Because what inspired Ifemi in the first place is my grandmother. My grandmother, when I've been small, anytime she come for village, she always from gates. You just say Ifemi, Benny ladies. And so we know say our grandma don't show. You understand? So now that's Now that feeling where I get, I incorporate inside songs. So
okay.
Make people feel
and the video just land.
It's just freshly vibing. Freshly vibing.
Oh my God, my God. Someone see the video sharp. Then we'll come back, come on outside the whole P because as a bit now, Mona just know say Tolu they hot. The verse, most of the video quickly. All right, okay. Ifemi.
Yes, sir.
Ifemi. Yes, for Yoruba, Ifemi means love.
My love.
So you don't really talk your kind pattern of songs and all that. So any moment from now, we'll see Tolu you wake up on your good rap. Yes, or reggae, or waiting.
Actually, the next song where I want to drop, actually, I want to shock people with that one. That one is song, a champion. They call him champion.
Straight out. And they want to imagine you say, Tolu, you wear Timbaland put, they do gala. You know they set for my head. You know just green set somewhere for my head.
When
it go shock me.
You go shock because the only person who have feature man go shock you.
Serious.
Now CDQ.
Hey, that's street.
That's the next P now. So after I more enjoy the euphoria of this one, more remind.
Yes. But anytime from now, would they plan to hear anything about album?
Yes, album next year. I don't even start recording already.
Okay. All right. I believe say no. Once it comes to and Don Papa J.
Baba don't try for me.
Don Jazzy.
Yeah.
Your first, the other track now, you and Don Jazzy. This one again, you and Jazzy. He only tells me one thing. Say himself wants your progress.
Exactly.
Before, because you know it's easy to get one to even the opposite track.
Exactly.
One big name to the one person track.
One presenter they tell me say from time of Moit till now.
Yeah.
Say Jazzy never do this kind of thing.
With any artist, record twice. Not be saying album the person don't drop. You record twice with I know it only shows say instead see something for you to say me I want to do stuff with this guy. Now I produce the song.
No, Baby Fresh.
Baby Fresh, now I produce the song. Okay, all right. Okay, Tolu. We wish you the best, man. And of course, we don't say yes, not to be continued. You understand?
That's what it is.
But we don't see you on top social media. People don't go and follow you.
You can find me on Instagram at IamThatTolu. That's IamThatTolu. Same thing on Twitter. For Facebook, Tolu additional.
So for those of you who want here, we're not here now. But quickly, before I will come out for this whole thing, I would like to give out like 3 tickets for Checkpoint, they play this particular weekend. We don't do so. But for those of you who go on buy online, just go www.checkpoint.ng. You go see the ticket online there to get them online. Before that day, small discounts there on top of the whole thing itself. www.checkpoint.ng. Reach there, you will get them at discounted price. And of course, on the show day, if you buy for there, but better for you just buy before that. So you just come, just enter. Not into the lineup. They do wala for gate for there. Okay, so I would like to give out 3 tickets. Now the tickets will be this, and then you just answer one question. Easy bit.
Yes.
Ask them a question what they go answer on top Twitter.
Okay, may I talk the name of the very director who directed this whole play? If you get a name. You go ahead.
Easy bit. They don't go see him. They go forget him. You know what I mean? What's wrong with you?
Introduce himself now.
Okay. What you go ask now? Okay, may I mention 4 artists that will go there. Either comedians, musicians, or whatever.
Not cheap now.
No, make it cheap. Easy. We not see them now. So may I mention 4. The first 3 people. Or the first 5.
Yeah.
No, the first 3. Go get the tickets to go watch the show. You understand? The remaining we also we'll see how it is. At W Late Night Show on top Twitter, go for there, knock your own answer for there, all right? Make we how many people I called just now? 4, Abi?
The first 3.
No, I say 4 artists.
Yeah, 4 artists.
4 artists will perform for there. Aside us, they do the play.
Yes.
Let us know on top Twitter, and then we'll go see who go give the free tickets. Tolu, one more time, thank you very much. You joined us on top of the show, and we believe in you, man. We believe in you. Continue to do great music, and of course, this kind of the starting point. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, we go say good night to everybody.
Good night,
and make sure say you love yourself, love everybody around you, and share the love, all right? So like easy bit. If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.